Hello. Just wanted to say I haven't shaved. Look at the state of me. Yeah, I've been a proper artist at the moment. So this one, I want to discuss briefly this Artemis sculpture. Help to give people an idea of the size of it. So this is available in kit form on nudies.co.uk. So it has 6 parts: base, main body, the 2 arms, the head. One, two, three, four, five. 5 parts. Okay, so it's a 5-part kit. Um, Artistic nudity. Be careful. Watch now. Don't look too closely. Yeah. So that's the gist of it. That's what it looks like. Pretty damn cool. So this one, we print them on a uniformation GK2. Um, we fill any holes and clean up and whatever, and we spray it with Vallejo grey primer. So its height is 18 centimeters roughly. Yeah, 19 centimeters, and it's on a circular base, so it's 15 centimeters all the way around. So it's 19 centimeters high and 15 centimeters around on the base, 19 centimeters this way. Yeah, so Artemis, a goddess of the hunt, sometimes called Diana. The basic legend is that Artemis had always asked her father a couple of favors. One, that was she was allowed to be wearing short tunics rather than the long Greek dresses. He said, okay. And that she need never marry. Okay. She did have some favourite among the hunters, but I think the gist of it is that she's probably a lesbian icon, sapphic icon. Anyway, she wasn't allowed to be seen nude, and this Actaeon dude wanted to see her nude, so she was bathing in this plunge pool, and with her maidens, and he crept up in the forest and went, "Oh, there she is!" And then this is why this is called Artemis Surprised by Actaeon. She's just in the process of putting her helmet back on, getting ready to get out of the pool. So she doesn't kill him. What she does is she changes him into a deer, and his own dogs chase and kill him. So that was, the gist of it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much the legend. I mean, whatever. So yeah, archetype of the maiden. She had a lot of little acolytes, girlfriends. It looks like to me, Britta Martis being one of them. And yeah, so there she is, a kind of a lesbian icon, Artemis surprised by Actaeon. And the idea behind this one was to catch the movement, that spin, the upper contrapposto. Um, Try and get it there so you can see it a bit better. But that's what they actually look like. The kit, we can assemble it for you if you want. It's probably the way to go if you're just a painter. But if you just want to play, this is a good simple kit to start with because the fit is absolutely perfect. These two sit on really easily. They've got ball basings. You just put a bit of super glue on, boom, and they're on like that. And the fit is perfection. You may need to do something around the neck, a little bit of filling. So, if you're not sure how to do that, I use Magic Sculpt, just 2-part epoxy resin, water-based. You push it in. It's very sticky when you first do it. It's a bit like putty that you use on the window, and you can use water to really smooth it into the gap. It's originally for fixing porcelain, I think. So Magic Sculpt. You can get it on El Greco Miniatures if you're in the UK. For the moment, this is UK only. If people are really interested, contact me at steve@nudies.co.uk, and I'll see if I can arrange some kind of arrangement for wherever you are. The price won't go up, but obviously you might have customs, and you will have the delivery charges, which is why at the moment I can't be bothered with going outside the UK because it's just, returns and so many scammers and Egypts. I'd rather be here, and plus I know if I'm here I can offer a good service in the point of view of returns for breakages or whatever. And I'm on the phone and it's cheap, and you can contact me. So steve@nudies.co.uk, and that's it. Gotta keep this under 5 minutes, but that's the gist of her. Very pretty, a beautiful thing. I mean, we'll be producing these in a bronze effect as well, but I mean, I'd be interested to see what other people would do with the flesh. There's a lot of flesh there to paint, and you can make this really beautiful if you did acrylics with oil over them, which is how I do. I'll show people a vampirella I did with that method before anyway, but we'll just cover this bit. Should we cover this bit? No, we'll show that bit. Cover it? Show. Oh, okay, right. All right. Thanks for watching. You can get it on nudies.co.uk. I'm not sure what the current price is, but that's their beautiful piece of kit, and yeah, designed to be sat on a round pedestal. So yeah, go for it so you can see a different view every day. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.